day. More specifically, it's heavy protein day. And usually for heavy protein treatment days, I would go in with my FRIZZY 2-step protein treatment. I've already shown you guys how I do that protein treatment. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll be sure to leave it up in the icons. However, for today, I'm excited to try something new. I was going through YouTube, my For You page on YouTube. No. See all these apps starting to like merge into one for me. But I was just scrolling on my YouTube homepage and I saw this thumbnail and title.
The Japanese secret to long-lasting hair straightening.
Well, might as well try it.
Alright, let's jump straight into Natural Poonam's video. How to prepare natural keratin at home. It will transform your hair from coarse to silky hair. Why that sounding like a relaxer?
I'm kinda scared.
Does keratin treatment damage the hair, causes hair loss? Straighten the hair. Oh, it does. No, wait, hold on. That's more like it. So it strengthens kinky hair and straightens straight hair. Makes sense to me. As long as it's not going to relax your hair, I'm willing to try it.
But first, if at any point throughout this video you actually smile or laugh a little bit, that just means you're enjoying my content and you're legally obligated to give me a thumbs up.
So let's make this Japanese secret recipe. So first thing I'm doing is to add 4 tablespoons of white rice to a saucepan. And then I'm going to add 2 large cups of water. And yes, I do know that this is the measuring cup for dry ingredients, but I couldn't bother look for the actual liquid measuring cups, so this is what we used. So as I'm allowing this rice to cook, I'm stirring it a little bit, and I'm wondering if I should have washed the rice first, but nowhere in Natural Poonam's video did she say to wash the rice. So I don't know, maybe there are some natural ingredients on the surface of the rice that is good for the hair. So the water was drying out, the rice was being cooked. I wasn't really sure if it was finished as yet. So this is the little test I made up. I took out 1 grain of rice and I tried to squish it on my spatula. And if it didn't completely mush out, then I knew that it needed to cook a little more. So I added more water and allowed it to cook more. Then after a few more minutes, I took out another grain of rice, tested it again, and yeah, the center wasn't hard anymore. So I said, alright, it must done now. So I turned off the stove and allowed the rice to cool just a little bit and then blend it all up. Yes, all the mushy rice with the water is all going into the blender. This didn't even need 20 seconds to blend into a liquid. But since Natural Poonam strained her mixture, I went ahead and strained mine as well. So far we've only used rice and water in this recipe. But now we're adding starch. In a small bowl, we're gonna mix 1 tablespoon of starch and a ½ cup of water. Still using my dry ingredients measuring cup. Then, with our rice cream over low heat, we're going to add that starch mixture and allow it to cook for just 1 minute. It's not supposed to bubble or anything. You're not even going to see little smoke coming off of it. Just continue stirring for 1 minute. Then turn off the stove and we're basically done. But before we add this cream to our hair, we're going to add some oils to it. And just like Natural Poonam, I added 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then I chose to be extra and added 1 tablespoon of argan oil because it's one of my favorite oils, and also amla fruit oil, which in this bottle is not only amla fruit oil, it's quite a few oils mixed together. And even though this took a lot of mixing to get it nicely blended, it eventually came together.
Oh, I'm so curious how this is going to work, honestly. We're finally doing this rice cream. But before we apply it to our hair, let's divide our hair up into sections first. So I usually apply my deep conditioner in 4 sections, but because this is a DIY treatment, I anticipate that it won't have a lot of slip. Alright, let me come a bit closer and up in your faces. Alright, let's do about this much first. Alright. Start at the ends.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn minute.
So just first impression, it's not giving DIY food. It actually like has body to it. It feels like a regular conditioner. Alright, let me just attempt to detangle with this. And this is the stage I like to detangle my hair. I don't like applying shampoo to hair that's not already detangled, so. But to be fair, I have tried store-bought conditioners with worse than this before. So, I mean, it's not the worst, but. Don't be expecting slip, that's all. I'm going to take off the excess from the twist. I'm going to apply it to my scalp. So just reach in and give myself a nice scalp massage. With all the excess product. We want our scalp to benefit from all the nutrients from our white rice. I'm honestly not hating this experience right now. Not at all. I think I did a really good job of applying this treatment from root to ends. Every single strand of my hair should be totally saturated with this rice cream right now. So I'm now supposed to cover my hair with plastic wrap, and I'm supposed to allow this to sit for at least an hour, and afterwards you're supposed to get shiny, smooth, strong hair.
That's hopefully not damaged or straight.
Yeah. So it's now been an hour and a half. Let's see how this turned out. Okay. It's still moist. I was kind of expecting the rice cream to dry up on my hair and for it to be crunchy right now, but my hair is soft. The way my hair feels right now, it's reminding me of that nice luscious feeling my hair has after a strong protein treatment.
So as much as I like to try out these all-natural food-based DIY hair concoctions, I strongly believe in science and facts. So if your hair is breaking off, can white rice replace a heavy protein treatment or an actual keratin treatment from the salon? I don't know. I haven't done the detailed research for white rice and its components and how it affects the hair topically. However, my hair feels nice. My hair feels smooth. But I ain't telling anybody to stop doing protein treatments and keratin treatments and replace it with white rice. But all in all, I think it's safe to say my hair survived.
So that's it. I enjoyed this experience. I'm glad I tried it. Am I going to do it again? I really think I would. It never took long to make and it applied pretty nicely to my hair. and it left my hair feeling good. So anyway, beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. If you never already give me a thumbs up, I hope you give me the thumbs up now. If you're new to this channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, that's alright, no hard feelings. I'll leave some more of my videos up in the iCard so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then after watching like one, maybe two more of my videos, you should realize by then that you actually enjoy the content here and it just makes sense to subscribe. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later. Mwah. Hey, look at here. Look at that hair. Look at that hair. Yes. Come on. It's about time my hair reached my butt. That's what we're going for, okay? Butt length hair.